and welcome back to a brand new video. So it has been a few days, a few weeks if you've been watching. Today is map day, so all my efforts are going into one day, which is today. So it's 5 o'clock in the morning. We're driving all the way down to Swansea to meet JK. I think the tuning company or the tuning lab is where he does his dynos. He goes all different places around the country. So today we're going to Wales. So yeah, it's a 2.5 hour drive, going to get some Shell V power, and then yeah, let's take you along the day. So let's see how it goes, and hopefully, fingers crossed, it's all good. So yeah, I'll see you in a sec. Right, so we've just arrived at Shell. We're going to smash some V power, get some Red Bull, get some water. It's about a 2.5 hour drive. So yeah, fingers crossed everything goes well. And oh yeah, as I said, we'll see you in a sec. Wow. I'm actually shaking, man. I was on the I've never actually stopped on the motorway, but if you can see there, my wheel arch liner fell out. It was catching on the wheel. I could hear it scrubbing a bit, but it's always done that because it's been low. And literally it went woof, and the car pulled me into the middle of the lane, and pulled over. I've literally looked. I've burnt all my hands because I've tried to pull the wheel arch liner off. Pushed it back behind the bumper and everything, and then I literally got a few minutes down the motorway, pulled in, done it again, and it's just ripped it off. So we're wheel archless on the driver's side now. Hopefully that's all for today. That might go wrong, I don't know, I'm scared. Oh jeez, come on. So yeah, I'm shaking like a leaf. So yeah, there's hour and 57 minutes to go, so fingers crossed we can get there. Sweet, so let's go. See you in a bit. Right then, so we've arrived at the tuning company, which is where JK maps. He obviously moves around the country, so yeah, and we are now wheel archless. I'm glad it was that, because he literally pulled me over the road, but yeah, let's go. What do you reckon? I think we're going to go for a nice, safe, reliable 440, 300 pound-foot of torque, about 13-14 psi, that's it, and then see how we get on. So yeah, gonna throw her on the dyno, and let's go then. Also yeah, let's have a look at this, man. Apparently this is going to be running 600 brake, so this is absolutely insane. EP3, got the same tyres that I've got, can't knock them. Epic little tablet in there. Look at that for a cut, man, that's proper. That's what I should have done. Class that is. And then the DC5, I don't know whose DC5 this is. I'm guessing it's either turboed or screamer. Turboed or supercharged, because obviously there's a big intercooler on it, but yeah. It's class, mate. It's camera show. That clutch is horrible, man. It's so on and off.
Altec to me.
So what? So engine power, wheel power. So 433.
Just trying to find the runs we did with just on the solenoid.
Yeah.
I think we were just on the wastegate there.
I think 312.
Boom.
And that's where we are, yeah?
Yep, that's where we're at.
So you said that was comfortable, nice easy power?
Yeah, it wasn't. We're not really stressing it much at all, to be honest.
No. That's pretty sound, so engine power.
Yeah, so this is at set RPM, so the X is the RPM essentially.
Yeah.
So you got at 8,000 RPM, low boost engine power is 355, high boost engine power is 432. Wheel power is what it measured at the wheels.
Yeah.
But a lot of roller dynos are easily tricked by this number. So although you might think, okay, we've lost say 53 through the wheels, if I ran that in say fourth, this wheel number would be higher. So let's just say, for example, it would be 320.
Yeah.
But the engine power should stay the same or very similar. So you'd only then record like a 30 loss. Yeah? So a lot of people, when they're reading dynographs like this, they're just through lack of knowledge really and lack of understanding, they're deciding, oh, this dyno's happy, that dyno's fucked, or this guy's cheating or whatever, when in fact it's just the way the machines work. So ultimately on any half decent dyno, it wouldn't make any difference to the engine power. It's only the wheel power that would change with the gear you used. So that's cool. I'm happy. What are we at here?
guys, what is happening? We've actually made it back, so it was a long 2.5 hour drive. Thankfully, touch wood, we had no issues coming home. I kept my eye on the temp. I did do like 2 or 3 stops, did like half an hour, pulled over, had a look, did like another hour, stopped, pulled over. Obviously it's my work, so like I'm nervous, do you know what I mean? But thankfully it was sweet. I did do 1 or 2 pulls. Man, 1, it moves all over the road, and 2, the noise of it is unbelievable. Like, I can't explain how savage it feels. So yeah, I think next video is probably going to be a proper drive. We'll do a little driving video so you can see. But I was in the mindset where I wanted 430 brake, 300 pound-foot of torque, 13 psi. I want to keep it relatively safe. I'm not all about like chasing numbers, getting 500 brake. Obviously it'd be cool, but I want the reliability at the same time, do you know what I mean? So he did say the turbo is good for like 600, but obviously the engine's not, no fuel return and that. So but yeah, massive shout out to JCal, top geezer, like talks you through stuff and that as well. So if you want your car doing, definitely check him out. And yeah, I think that's it, apart from the Skunk 2. I don't know how, but the Skunk 2 thing shot off. It's threaded though, so I don't get how pressure has managed to spin it and pop it out. Obviously I've got the oil breather and that, but I don't understand why it's done that. So yeah, I think I might have to get some different like rocker cover seats. But other than that, yeah, hope you enjoyed today's video. I loved it as well. So scared knowing, like, watching everything I've done on this car. This is like its penultimate kind of like send off, if that makes sense, because we've done it from on the drive, and it's mad to think that I've done this and I didn't have a clue. So yeah, it feels like a good achievement knowing that what I've done and we've done it. So yeah, yeah, thanks for watching guys, I really appreciate it. Like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.